I purchased the Vantec NBA-200U 7.1-channel adapter to enable my Windows 10 laptop to 5.1 sound through my 5.1 analog surround sound speaker system. Although I have only tested the adapter's analog output, it works absolutely great. It took a little bit of work, probably 30 minutes, to get it set up. Here's how I did it. I first downloaded the updated driver at the Vantec website and installed it. Search for NBA-200U. Following the installation instructions that appear after extracting and running, as administrator, the setup.exe file, I plugged in the adapter to a USB 3.0 port. I plugged my 5.1 speakers into the front of the adapter, green for front, black for rear, orange for subwoofer/center. When the installation finished, I rebooted the computer. Make sure you reboot so that the software can finish loading. Once rebooted, I went into the Windows 10 control panel and ran the sound applet, setting it up for 5.1 sound. Then, I checked the system taskbar and found a blue icon with a white swirl. Once I clicked on the icon, a USB multi-channel audio device application started that enabled me to set up all kinds of things, including a mixer, karaoke, and effects. I found that if I set the system input to 2ch, enabled the Zero surround mix, and set the output mode, analog output, to 6 speakers, while tweaking the output device settings, click the speaker icon to enable, to make the rear speakers a bit louder, +2, I got great surround sound. Click link in description for more reviews.